Hey everyone, it is day 7 of getting shit done. This whole week I've stayed hydrated, stretched, and worked out. Today we are going to attempt to do something with this rag on my head. Stay tuned for that. I'm still using the black castor oil, so I hope it's working. Today I had scrambled eggs, avocado, and tomato. Then I took my scooter to the hair store and got some braiding hair. Now, since I spent my entire day doing this is going to be a hair vlog. Bear with me guys, I'm going to try to explain this the best way that I can. I set up my phone on a tripod and then I screencast the camera to the TV so that I can see my parts. This makes it easier if you're doing your hair by yourself. I have people here, so I'm going to make them help me. Today we're going to try jumbo box braids for the first time. I started parting large squares in my hair and then I twisted them down. Side note, I had to wrap my hair up and go take the carpet cleaner back. I had soup for lunch. It was very nasty. I hated it. And then I got right back to doing my hair. Then I started separating the hair. That took forever and I almost forgot about dinner. So I shared my girlfriend's sandwich. It was good, but not healthy, unfortunately. So I failed that part of the day. Now go ahead and brush out the twist. Add some braiding gel, brush it, and then put it in a rubber band. Now, if your hair texture does not match the braiding hair, you're gonna have to stretch that out with some more braiding gel like I did. Then we're gonna work on attaching the hair. Separate the hair bundle in half. Set one half to the side, and then break the other section into 4 little sections. Take the bigger section and divide it in 3 like this. Attach the smaller strand to your hair. I'm gonna braid it down 2 notches and then add a small section of hair. Keep doing that until all the hair pieces are gone. If you want longer braids, you can make a lot of small pieces and add them as long as you want. Then once you braid it down as far as you can, you're gonna go ahead and dip the hair and add mousse. And there you have it, jumbo box braids. As always, thanks for watching and God bless y'all.